Just got to the video where the infamous team kill.
Oh.
Anyhow,
When you went on a bit of a murder spree.
I
Is that
killed
the
one. He made me pay.
Oh yes, they fixed the observation tools. Yes.
You have to rebind your keys though if you've changed any.
Son of a bitch. Right.
God, sounds like the end of the world, mate.
Different. I changed one key, but it's a really important one. I can't remember which one it is.
That donkey porn button.
Ping is that button. Oh, for good God, it's all gone wrong. Okay.
The diffuser is
Up on
now
the-
secure.
look out for my
Your
on the
mission
roof.
is to locate and defuse a bomb.
Oh, my lean buttons are the wrong way around.
That's hilarious.
I went to lean route and I just poked my head the wrong way. Oh, hang on.
Could have
You guys-
got. We could have got kills there, mate.
Sorry, I'm trying to get my controls back to how they was.
Same thing, mate. My lean ones are backwards.
Skip, we might have a guy in here.
You reckon?
Might. This window's still open. I'll send a droney in there.
Oh. I fell off the roof all the way and nothing happened.
He's still in there, yeah.
Yeah?
He's up the top. This is not what I wanted to rappel on.
He's on the stairs now.
I just slid off. What's going on?
Both bombs are exit clear.
One's,
Activating
Cross that bunk bed.
oh my god, there's 3 frost traps there.
Is anyone doing stuff? I'm looking at the evil eye.
You must recover the diffuser.
Oh, come on.
More frosts.
I would have told him, but I've lost my
One
crystal.
friendly operator remaining. The diffuser has been recovered.
Forgot I needed to change that.
This is brilliant.
Op 4 eliminated all friendlies.
I'm blaming Ubisoft for that one. All the buttons in the wrong place.
Fucking brilliant.
That's 2. Fuck.
You located a bomb. 4 last operator standing.
Got him.
Bomb has been located.
Oh, behind me. Oh, mirror, yeah,
Oh,
no window.
Last operator standing. Diffuser is active. Protected at all costs.
She went that way, you're looking the wrong way. Yeah!
Good job.
Op 4 eliminated.
Nice one, dear.
I'm taking one tank.
Drone coming over.
One right behind that door.
Yes!
The diffuser is now
And strapped.
Oh my god.
The
up on
diffuser has
this
been
game.
recovered.
Nice. That guy was a prick. Mira knows you're there. Oh, nice.
Turn you.
Op 4 last stop standing.
Hey, headshot.
On
Adrenaline
plums.
rush, adrenaline. Self thinker.
Incoming adrenaline boost.
Yeah, that's it.
Hit to my left.
Op
Yeah.
4
Ooh, wow.
eliminated. Friendly mission successful.
Hip fire headshot through a box.
Just wait for my distraction.
You did kind of aim. Nice.
Fucking. Brought the fucking noise there.
Frost traps on top of legions and just, yeah, angry things.
Let them come on, eh? Let them come on. Do not peek. Do not peek. Don't peek yet. Let them plant.
Loading new magazine!
Why are they like that?
There we
Oh,
go.
good job, mate. Nice. Yeah?
Yeah, she was in the cupboard. Left.
If you remain in this zone, you will be detected by hostiles.
Nice.
Friendlies victorious. Hostiles eliminated.
I did enough damage over the other side.
Yay, killing people.
Very nice.
Oh, fuck.
Frost is downstairs.
Activating adrenaline surge.
Fuck off, Frost.
Other than the small rotate hole. Just got the rotate hole that we had.
No, I pressed the wrong button.
Oh, Echo got me.
The diffuser has been
There
secured.
is no one at the rotate hole in the minute. I
Alright.
can tell you.
To the desktop. Whilst
Okay.
I was holding a grenade.
Nice, nice. That guy was a cunt. Yeah, someone on the balcony by deer. That's it. We got it.
You can see Shadow.
Friendly last operator. 5 seconds remaining.
Plant in. Shoot for the wall, to your right.
Mission
Right.
critical. Bomb
I
diffuser
don't know where the fuck
activated.
they are.
They
Some
can
bunk
plant
beds.
in their bunk
Yeah,
beds,
right.
mate.
Oh, good effort, mate.
Mission failed. All friendlies were
I
eliminated.
didn't know they could plant in there.
That's alright, learn something new, mate.
I just hate
They're literally
being shouted at.
behind you there.
Honestly, didn't know you could plant in there.
Oh no. Like murky in Africa.
Oh.
That's how sweaty my hands are.
Diffuser located. Protect the bombs. Disable the diffuser.
One pushing that
One
door now,
friendly
comes.
operator remaining.
I'm just gonna tag him for you, mate. Right.
One's looking. Blackbeard's looking into cigar.
One. Yep. Jesus plums. Okay.
Whoa! Fuck!
Oh,
Failed.
good fucking
All
effort.
friendlies
Yeah, that
have
was
been
good.
neutralized.
I looked down at my ammo count at the exact point.
Mm,
It's like 10 bullets, I've got enough. Fuck.
that was a nice little spree you went on. Damn.
Don't call a cunt a cunt. Fuck it.
1 out 4 remaining.
You
Yeah.
did
Fucking
it.
was gonna get that
Op 4
kill.
eliminated.
Well, Team GG.
All the bullets.
Oh, we all got sick. Oh no. Skip was
No,
catching
we
up.
didn't.
Sorry, boss.
Rub it in.
Fuck. Come on, Buck. Get us in there. Dear, can we have a thingy?
Insert.
Right, the door down the corridor is currently shut.
They think I'm coming in there. I'll open it for you.
Time for a wake-up call.
I got one in the room here.
Yeah, Sleazy. Down in the back corridor.
You got Legion yet?
I'm gonna plant.
No, he's
Why not?
pushing.
Legion's injured. Got a grenade on him.
We have to stay down.
I think I just about got a flash. That was Doc through the rook through where the white van is.
Alright.
I got a camera on that door, so I can check that. He's blown a hole in there. He's coming to you, Skip. You got his back to you. Yeah.
Op 4 eliminated.
Now that was a fucking strat.
Yeah. That fucking sonar.